guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the cinematic title effect for your text on CapCut PC. So add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word cinematic. You can type in any like word you want, maybe like your logo or your brand, whatever it is. You can just choose it. I'm just going to select this font. You can also select any like color you want that to be in. For instance, maybe like this light blue. Once you're done, you're just going to right click, create compound clip, go to mask, select the mirror one, and I'm just going to rotate it a little bit and feather it out. Make it a little bit smaller as well. And I'm just gonna add a keyframe at the beginning. I'm just going to put it here. And at the end, you're just going to want to drag it up here, like so. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.